Detox your body with these home ingredients. Plenty of natural ingredients are known to boost the body's natural ability to eliminate toxins. The best thing is that many of them can be easily found at home. In this day and time, many of us are guilty of consuming tons of processed foods, which is why it's important to go on a cleanse every once in a while. This is where detox drinks enter the scene. Beverages that are typically made up of water with fruit, vegetables, herbs, and other natural ingredients. Drinking detox drinks is one of the easiest, not to mention inexpensive ways to cleanse your liver, enhance your digestive system, and boost your overall health and well-being. Ingredients such as lemon, ginger, and mint are just some of the several examples of the best detox home ingredients. Continue watching this video to learn more about them and the rest. Number 1. Lemon. The liver is like a factory. It's a key component for many major metabolic processes, including detoxifying toxins and hormones. Lemon is a citrus fruit known for its great amounts of vitamin C in the form of ascorbic acid. This ascorbic acid helps to detoxify the body while also supporting digestion and keeping the skin growing. Moreover, the presence of vitamin C in the body stimulates white blood cell production and immune system function. Drinking lemon water can also help you lose weight thanks to pectin. Pectin is a type of fiber that's been proven to make you feel full longer. Number 2. Lime. Like lemons, limes provide amazing amounts of vitamin C and antioxidants and will surely give your detox journey a boost. Vitamin C is known to enhance physical performance, improve the immune system, and provide protection against free radicals. Limes make great detox ingredients because they promote the activity of an enzyme found in the liver called glutathione S-transferase, GST. On top of that, these fruits are loaded with flavonoids that activate the digestive system and rev up the secretion of bile and acids. Limes are extremely versatile, so you can incorporate them into any detox water recipe or even smoothies. Number 3. Cucumber. Cucumber is a low-calorie, nutrient-rich home ingredient that's commonly added in several recipes, including detox beverages. Interestingly, cucumber is made up of 96% water, which is more than the water content of watermelon. Cucumbers are also packed with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K and manganese. In addition, consuming cucumbers gives your body protein and fiber. Fiber is especially important for detoxifying because it's responsible for flushing waste from the system. With a slightly bitter yet refreshing taste, cucumber is a perfect ingredient to include in your next detox beverage. Number 4. Watermelon. Another healthy, low-calorie home ingredient is watermelon. It's 92% water, which makes it even perfect for people who want to detox. Besides adding a delicate and refreshing sweetness to any drink, adding watermelon can help you stay hydrated, control your appetite, and improve your heart health. Watermelon also provides magnesium and potassium, which are essential for detoxification, as well as the regulation of blood flow and hydration levels in the body. Lastly, this fruit carries several vitamins, including vitamin A, C, B1, B5, and B6. Number 5. Ginger. Want to give your drink a strong flavor? Try ginger. Ginger is a healthy and very flavorful ingredient that's commonly used in detox beverages. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, these are mostly thanks to the bioactive compound gingerol. This substance is the main source of most medicinal benefits of ginger, and it's also because of gingerols that ginger serves as an effective digestive aid and natural remedy for nausea. Ginger can even be used to reduce muscle and menstrual pain and lower blood sugars and cholesterol. When used as a detox ingredient, it functions by relieving bloating, constipation, and gastrointestinal issues. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the constant ingredients that's found in numerous home remedies, and for good reasons. Its top benefits are increasing metabolism and speeding up weight loss. It contains acetic acid, which has been found to improve metabolism. It also supports digestive function due to its enzymes and probiotics and effectively combats acid reflux. Add a small amount of ACV to your detox drinks to cleanse your liver and lymphatic system. Doing so also aids in regulating your body's pH. Although apple cider vinegar is completely different from your sweet ingredients, it's a welcome change from your typical fruity detox drinks. Number 7. Mint. Mint has been classified into a dozen different species, with peppermint and spearmint as two of the most popular kinds. This cool menthol has one of the highest antioxidant capacities of any food. It invigorates the senses and soothes indigestion. With mint in the mix, you can improve the flow of bile through the stomach and speed up the digestion process, thus helping to detoxify the body. Moreover, introducing mint into your detox beverage allows your body to get additional nutrients such as iron, folate, and manganese. Number 8. Pineapple. You hate pineapples on pizza, but like eating pineapples alone. Well, thank goodness, because then you'd be missing out on its detoxifying benefits. Pineapples taste amazing, but more importantly, it's chock full of antioxidants and bromelain, making it a good detox ingredient. Even drinking plain pineapple juice is detoxifying enough. Furthermore, this tropical fruit has a long-standing history of being a digestive aid, a metabolism booster, and a strong cleanser that alkalizes the body. Number 9. Grapefruit. Despite being one of the lowest calorie fruits, grapefruit remains high in water and nutrients. An enzyme called AMP activated protein kinase, AMPK, found in grapefruit aids the body in utilizing sugar. In turn, this boosts the metabolism and improves weight loss. It's also rich in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and promotes skin and brain health. Grapefruits are fresh with a mildly bitter flavor, adding a unique quality to your detox drink. Number 10. Strawberries. Strawberries' health benefits are primarily due to the presence of anti-inflammatory antioxidants. Research says that strawberries have anti-aging flavonoids that also lower the risk of some chronic diseases. By including strawberries into your detox recipes, you can slow down the aging process and protect your skin. They also contain vitamin A and C, both of which help with detoxification. These vitamins are essential during the detox process to neutralize and eliminate toxins. As a result, they help reduce inflammation and regulate the digestive system and pH balance of the body. Number 11. Raspberries. Ketones are natural chemicals that can support weight loss, and raspberries have plenty of them. Animal studies have shown that raspberry ketones help prevent diet-induced high-fat elevations in body weight. Although more studies are needed for this, raspberries also contain vitamins C and B that help detoxify the body and reveal healthy, young-looking skin. Number 12. Cranberries. Cranberries are often labeled as a superfood thanks to their high amounts of antioxidants. In fact, cranberry juice has become more popular these days as a detox drink because of its high level of vitamins that help protect against internal infections and ulcers. This explains why cranberry juice is commonly used to treat UTIs, decrease blood pressure, and boost immune function. Best of all, its sweet and tangy flavor makes your detoxifying journey much more enjoyable. 5 detox water recipes using home ingredients. 1. Cooling cucumber water. Mix 1 sliced cucumber, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and 1 sliced lime into 4 cups of alkaline water. It's as simple as that. If you're crunched for time, you can prepare infused water recipes for a bigger consumption. You just need to add the ingredients to a large pitcher and chill it in the refrigerator before drinking. 2. Cucumber lemon mint water. First off, wash and slice 1/2 cucumber and 1 lemon. Next, rinse a few sprigs of mint. Put the sliced cucumber and lemon into a water jug. Then, fill the jug with water, mix and allow the concoction to steep overnight in the fridge. You can keep adding more water to the jug for a few days until the ingredients have to be changed. 3. Watermelon and mint refresher. To start, simply slice enough watermelon flesh into cubes until you have 1 cup worth of cubed watermelon. Then put the watermelon and a handful of fresh mint into 4 cups of alkaline water. 4. Classic berry infused water. You will need 2 cleaned and sliced strawberries, 6 cleaned and halved blueberries, 4 cleaned and halved raspberries, and 4 cleaned and halved black raspberries. Next, fill a 24-ounce mason jar with ice and all of the ingredients. Fill the jar with enough water. Let the berries soak in the water for around 4 to 6 hours before drinking. Which detox ingredient do you like the most? Do you have your own detox recipe? Comment your answers below.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.